Learn Gujarati fast. No money, no time and daily survival phrases in
Gujarati.
Welcome to Useful Gujarati. Hey, you are about to learn 5 extremely useful Gujarati phrases that can save your wallet, your schedule, and possibly your dignity. Let's make them memorable, funny, and easy to say aloud. Today you will learn how to say
મારી પાસે પૈસા નથી.
meaning I have no money,
મારી પાસે સમય નથી.
meaning I have no time,
એ કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
meaning that is not a problem,
અહીં કોઈ શૌચાલય નથી.
meaning there is no toilet here, and
મારી કોઈ મુલાકાત નક્કી નથી.
meaning I have no appointment. Yes, this is the chapter of glorious inconvenience. Your superpower today. You will notice a lovely pattern in Gujarati today. Once you hear it a few times, your brain will start doing a little happy dance. A big helper is
નથી.
which often gives the idea of not or is not. It shows up again and again. Another useful chunk is
મારી પાસે.
which helps express having something, literally like with me or in my possession. So,
મારી પાસે પૈસા નથી.
is I have no money and
મારી પાસે સમય નથી.
is I have no time. Congratulations, you are already spotting patterns like a language detective wearing sunglasses indoors. No money, no drama. Let's start with the classic travel tragedy. Your wallet has become a museum of receipts and sadness. Say it slowly.
મારી પાસે પૈસા નથી.
It means, I have no money. Very useful, slightly tragic, deeply relatable. Imagine checking 10 pockets, 1 bag, and 1 mysterious jacket from last winter, and still announcing.
મારી પાસે પૈસા નથી.
Try this anchor sentence, today I have no money.
આજે મારી પાસે પૈસા નથી.
Another one, sorry, I have no money for coffee.
માફ કરશો, કોફી માટે મારી પાસે પૈસા નથી.
Mini dialogue. A. Can you pay? B.
મારી પાસે પૈસા નથી.
Now say just the keyword money.
પૈસા.
And the full sentence again.
મારી પાસે પૈસા નથી.
No time either. Now let's move from empty wallet to full chaos. This phrase is for those moments when your clock seems personally offended by you. Say it.
મારી પાસે સમય નથી.
It means, I have no time. Tap your wrist like a watch and say,
મારી પાસે સમય નથી.
anchor sentence. Sorry, I have no time right now.
માફ કરશો, મારી પાસે અત્યારે સમય નથી.
Quick dialogue. A. Can you help me? B.
મારી પાસે સમય નથી.
Compare the two phrases.
મારી પાસે પૈસા નથી.
Is I have no money.
મારી પાસે સમય નથી.
Is I have no time. Same structure, different disaster. Relax, it is fine. At last, a friendly phrase. You can now stop sounding like a stressed raccoon and start sounding reassuring. Say it.
એ કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
It means, that is not a problem. If someone says sorry, you can answer warmly with
એ કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
example. A. Sorry, I broke the cup. B.
એ કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
Imagine papers falling everywhere, a clown entering on a tiny bicycle, and you staying perfectly calm.
એ કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
Key word here is problem.
સમસ્યા.
But with
નથી.
the problem disappears. Magical. The toilet plot twist. This next phrase is important, practical, and just a tiny bit cruel when you hear it at the wrong moment. Say it carefully.
અહીં કોઈ શૌચાલય નથી.
It means, there is no toilet here. Picture yourself in a cafe, full of hope, asking for the restroom, and the universe replying.
અહીં કોઈ શૌચાલય નથી.
Mini dialogue. A. Is there a toilet here? B.
અહીં કોઈ શૌચાલય નથી.
Key parts.
અહીં.
Means here.
શૌચાલય.
Means toilet. And again, trusty old.
Nathi.
Means is not. Repeat once more, like a travel hero trying to stay calm.
અહીં કોઈ શૌચાલય નથી.
No appointment, no entry. Now for offices, clinics, desks, queues, and all those places where someone behind glass asks a serious question. Say it slowly.
મારી કોઈ મુલાકાત નક્કી નથી.
It means, I have no appointment. Imagine arriving confidently at reception, smiling bravely, and then remembering.
મારી કોઈ મુલાકાત નક્કી નથી.
Dialogue practice. Receptionist. Do you have a booking? You.
મારી કોઈ મુલાકાત નક્કી નથી.
Anchor sentence. Today I have no appointment.
આજે મારી કોઈ મુલાકાત નક્કી નથી.
A useful word is appointment or meeting.
મુલાકાત.
And.
નક્કી નથી.
Gives the idea of not fixed or not scheduled. Rapid fire challenge. You are ready for a quick listening challenge. I give the English, you say the Gujarati before I do. Be bold. Even if your pronunciation is wobbly, your effort is excellent. I have no money.
મારી પાસે પૈસા નથી.
I have no time.
મારી પાસે સમય નથી.
That is not a problem.
એ કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
There is no toilet here.
અહીં કોઈ શૌચાલય નથી.
I have no appointment.
મારી કોઈ મુલાકાત નક્કી નથી.
Tiny story, big memory. Let's glue everything together with one silly little story. Stories help your brain remember better than lonely vocabulary lists. You walk into a busy day in Gujarat. First, your friend asks you to buy snacks, but you sigh and say,
મારી પાસે પૈસા નથી.
Then someone asks for help, but you look at the clock and groan.
મારી પાસે સમય નથી.
You bump into a person and apologize, and they smile kindly.
એ કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી.
A few minutes later, you urgently search a building, but the guard says,
અહીં કોઈ શૌચાલય નથી.
Finally, you arrive at a reception desk and realize, with majestic embarrassment,
મારી કોઈ મુલાકાત નક્કી નથી.
Congratulations, your terrible day has become excellent language practice. Goodbye and keep practicing. Nice work today. You learned practical Gujarati phrases that real people actually use, especially on slightly chaotic days. Thank you for learning with me. Practice these phrases out loud.
મારી પાસે પૈસા નથી. મારી પાસે સમય નથી. એ કોઈ સમસ્યા નથી. અહીં કોઈ શૌચાલય નથી.
And.
મારી કોઈ મુલાકાત નક્કી નથી.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, slow repetition beats panic every time.